Alright guys, this is our next question from Cat24, the first lot. You can pause the video and try it out and resume for the solution. Alright, the sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed with the distinct non-zero digits A, B, C and D with each digit appearing exactly once in every number is 153310 plus n, where n is a single digit natural number. Then the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus n is. Okay, now for this particular question, there's a small concept we're supposed to know. For 4 digits A, B, C and D, the sum of all 4-digit numbers which are formed with every digit appearing exactly once will be A plus B plus C plus D into 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times because we have 4 digits. And once again, because I have 4 digits, I'm going to multiply this with 4 minus 1 factorial. If you're interested to look at the derivation, you can check out my course in the description. And this has been given in the question as 153310 plus n. And now let's simplify our left hand side. Let's call this A plus B plus C plus D as k. 4 minus 1 factorial is 3 factorial, which is 6. So 6 into 1111 will be 6666 into k, and that has been given to us as 153310 plus n. So let's remove everything else and completely focus on this equation. 6666 into k is equal to 153310 plus n. And let's not forget A plus B plus C plus D we have put as k. Now looking at this equation, guys, 6666 into k is 153310 plus n. Your left hand side is very clearly 6666 into an integer k. In the question, A, B, C and D are digits, right? So A plus B plus C plus D will also be an integer. So 6666 into an integer is definitely an integral multiple of 6666. And that is equal to the right hand side. So your right hand side is also an integral multiple of 6666. But your right hand side is 153310 plus n. So the right hand side is basically an integral multiple of 6666. So it is 6666 into k, but it is also greater than 153310. So from here, we divide both sides by 6666 and using the on-screen calculator, we can get a range for k. So when you divide 153310 by 6666, you will get approximately 22.97. So k should be greater than 22.97, and k being an integer, k can now take integral values as 23 or 24 or 25 or 26, so on and so forth infinitely. Now the minimum value k can take here is 23. Let's substitute this 23 in this equation. We'll get 6666 into 23 is 153310 plus n, or from here I will get n is 6666 into 23. For this we are going to use the on-screen calculator or the calculator. It will be 153318. Bring 15331 on this side. I'll subtract 153310. So 153318, 153310 subtracted, I will get the difference as 8. So correspondingly, n will be equal to 8. So when k is 23, n is equal to 8. So I'll write here beneath k is equal to 23, n value is equal to 8. What if I take a higher value of k, let's suppose 24. I'll put 24 in this equation. I'll get the corresponding value of n. So putting k as 24, I will get 6666 into 24 is equal to 153310 plus n. Once again, using the on-screen calculator, for the left hand side, I'll get 159984, and from that I'll subtract 153310 to get the corresponding value of n. N will be equal to 6674, and that's completely unacceptable because as per the question, n is a single digit natural number. So we cannot take n as 6674. Matter of factly, k is equal to 24 is also not acceptable. And again, if you keep on increasing k, we'll get higher values of n which won't be acceptable. That means k is equal to 23 and n is equal to 8 are the only possible acceptable values of k and n. And now we resubstitute the values. K is a plus b plus c plus d, which is 23, and n is 8. So 23 plus 8, my final answer to the question would be 31. There is no other value possible for a plus b plus c plus d plus n apart from this. My final answer would be 31. Beautiful question combining PNC and numbers. A must solve for every serious CAT aspirant to be able to understand the difficulty level and the different concepts that are used to crack the questions.